Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. This is a scale model of the Bentley Ultratank, where the body is taken from the Bentley, but the running gear and tracks from the tank. This is an unusual project that was made by the Russian auto blogger AcademeG. This is what his original work looks like. I liked this unique project so much that I decided to make a large-scale model of this Bentley Ultratank from plasticine clay. Its creation took me 102 hours of work. This is the longest work. Now I'll show you the process of creating it, and then I'll tell you more about it. Unfortunately, I have the wrong color here. My model turned to be matte, while the original one is glossy. I liked it even more in this way, so I decided not to change that. The scale model is 1/24th. I made it according to the blueprints and the 3D model of the car. The running gear is fully functioning here. It can drive and all plasticine tracks work. Now let's take a test drive. I agree it's not that good, but at least something. It's hot outside, so the plasticine became soft. Apparently this affected it. The running gear works better in the room. I detailed this car very well. There is even an engine and this is how it looks. I did it as the original one. The bottom of the car is also very detailed, although much more modest. I tried very hard to make this car look like the original, as far as I could. I think it turned out pretty well. Now I have such a unique scale model of a Bentley Ultratank. I hope you were interested to see what you can make of plasticine clay. I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you!